Hello everyone, and welcome to the review of the Baseus premium car charger. And this is a combo unit. It has not only 3 ports here but also another USB port here. So this is a quad output USB charger for your car, and this is really good if you are into a lot of gadgets or use a lot of things that need power in your car, and this is a good choice to use. So let's take it out of the box and see how this thing looks and how it performs. So inside the box you are going to get, of course, some manual and leaflets and warranty card and stuff that you usually do not have any kind of usage for. And the charger looks like this. It has a really nice cable. It's rather thin, but it's covered in a type of that silicone that resembles quality. I hope that it is quality. The finish of the charger here and here, it's also aluminum and looks great. And this 3-port unit here has this clip, so you can hook this up somewhere and it will be more easy to use, while the main unit has another USB port here, and that it's well for you to use when you plug this in. You can use your current phone charger or stuff like that, and you can install this somewhere in the back seat or something like that and have access to all those other ports there. And now I'm going to do a quality test. So this is my trusted charger that I have used until now, and this is a Blitzwolf charger rated for having 4 outputs and each one supplying up to 2.4 amp. So I'm going to use also a device called Charge Doctor, and this will monitor the voltage output and the current output. And I'm going to plug this in, and hopefully this will be visible on the camera. And I'm going to start the car, and you can see the voltage there, 5.2 volts, and now it's 0 amps. And I'm going to connect my phone here, and now it should register a charge current, and that is 1.3 amps, 3.9 amps. So that's the current that is going through the charger and into my phone. Okay, so it's already decreasing to 1 point something. We'll leave it to settle a bit. So 0.8, 0.89. So that's the stabilized current flowing through. Alright, so I'm going to take this out, and now I'm going to insert our test charger. So I'm going to use the main unit here, and hopefully the Charge Doctor will have space to get in there. And it has started to work. 5 volts, and look at that. I already have 1 amp current, so it's slightly bigger. So this is actually pumping more current than my old charger was doing, and that's okay. But I'm curious to see how this extension works and if it works. And look at that, it even has an LED, so you can see it in the dark. Really cool. And I'm going to unplug the charge doctor from here, and I'm going to insert it into this box here. And the phone has started to charge again, and we get a big current flowing through it. That's really interesting. Let's see if it settles. And nope, it's a really big current, 1.7 amps, so 1.6, 1.7. So this thing is actually almost 2 times faster than my normal charger. Alright, it has stabilized now for a lower current, but you've seen the spike. So charging with the old charger has started at around 1.3. With this one was a bit bigger, and with this one was actually even bigger. So this thing can actually output a really big current, and that's okay if you have devices that support that, and it will charge them a lot more faster. So the conclusion is that the Baseus charger is not only good looking but actually performs really well, and I really like it with its build quality, but also with its usability. And I like the fact that you can clip this somewhere else, because with the old charger I was using mostly 2 or 3 devices, so this was plugged in there and all the cables going out. And now I can plug this and use this and put all those wires and chargers away. For instance, I charge my Anafi drone, and that has each battery has 1 charge wire, so I can charge all my 3 batteries together, and I don't have to plug them all here. I can use my footwall there and leave that there down with the batteries, so I don't have 1000 wires hanging around here, just 1 wire, and that's enough. So really nice charger. So you should check this out. So until my next video, see you and bye bye.